Good morning. Today we're going to learn how to solve two-step equations. On the board this morning we have the objectives listed. One is to solve a two-step equation using specific steps, and then we're able to define what a variable is. So to start off for the morning, can anybody tell me what a variable is? Real quick though, there's a hint. It's usually a letter.
It's X.
X? Okay.
Always X.
Always X.
Always.
That's a good start.
It's something we don't know.
Something not known, okay. Anyone else? No?
Can it be something other than X?
Yes, other than X, it can be something other than X. Okay, so overall, a variable is a symbol that stands for something that we don't know. Not new. Okay. The symbol is usually X, like Kendall said. So, in order to solve a two-step equation, there are two steps to it. So the first one is to either add or subtract depending on the operation that the equation gives you, and then you're going to divide by the coefficient in front of the X, and that should give you X, which is the unknown value that we want to find. So let's go through the first example. The first example says 4x plus 7 equals 3. So can anybody guess what the first step will be?
Subtracting 7.
Very good. So we're going to subtract 7 from both sides of the equation in order to isolate the 4x. So 7 minus 7 is, 0. It cancels out. And then 3 minus 7 equals
10.
No, go the opposite way. This number should be negative.
4.
Negative 4, exactly. So now we have 4x equals negative 4. So now we're gonna divide by 4 on both sides. And 4x divided by 4 equals x, exactly. The 4's cancel out. And then negative 4 divided by 4,
2.
not 2. Negative 2. Not negative 2. Okay, look at the way we did it this way and now this way. What's the difference between this side and that side?
Negative 0.
Exactly, just the negative sign. So if we put the negative sign down here, what should the answer be?
1.
Exactly, x equals negative 1. So remind me real quick, what is the first step of solving an equation?
Add or subtract.
Adding or subtracting, exactly, which is what we did right here. And then what was the second step?
Dividing.
Exactly, dividing. Okay, now let's do some more practice problems. So this first one is 5x minus 5 equals 10. So what's gonna be the first thing we do?
Add 5.
Exactly. We're gonna add 5 to both sides of the equation, and then the 5's will cancel out, and we should get what?
0.
15 equals
5x.
exactly 5x. And then what are we gonna do?
Divide by x.
Not divide by x, divide by
5.
Exactly, divide by 5 on both sides, and x should equal
5.
3. 3, very good, very good. Now, does someone want to come up to the board and do the second one? Me. Sit.
Fine.
No, you can go.
You
can go. So we're gonna come up. Okay, now let's go through this together. So 5x plus 2 equals 32. So then what's gonna be the first thing that we do?
Subtracting 2.
Exactly. And then what would you get? Cancel out. Exactly. And now what are we gonna do?
To multiply by 5.
The opposite of multiplication.
Divide.
Divide. And x should equal 6 exactly. And that is how you solve two-step equation. Good job. Awesome. Does everybody understand?
Yep. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Thank you, Miss Sheppard.